The JBL TUNE 220 TWS. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the JBL TUNE 220 TWS. They have an AirPod style design and come in at about $100. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide and micro USB cable for charging. The TUNE 220 TWS features 3 hours of listening time, 19 hours with the case. It takes less than 2 hours to fully charge. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, has 12mm drivers, button controls, micro USB for charging, and it's not sweat and water resistant. You can also choose from a variety of color options. The case has a simple plastic design with a matte finish. It's easy to grip and you can see the JBL branding on the front. On the bottom of the case, you'll find a micro USB charge port. Inside the case, you have the charge status LEDs. The lid is magnetic and it opens and closes easily. The earbuds are secured by magnets and they're fairly easy to remove from the case. It has a glossy finish inside and there's a blue indicator for the left side and red for the right side. The earbuds utilize a stem design similar to the Apple AirPods. It has a matte finish just like the case and it's easy to grip, unlike the Apple AirPods which has a glossy finish. You will also see the color indicator blue or red for the case and the ear markings are on the bottom of the stem. The outer face has the button controls. Each of the earbuds have an LED, microphone, charging contacts, and button control. And here they are side by side. The button controls are straightforward and it's laid out in the manual. A few presses or long hold to get the desired functions. Just to get a size perspective, here it is next to the AirPods case and the earbuds. The case comes in at 1.9 by 1 by 2.1 inches. It weighs in at 46 grams and the earbuds come in at roughly 10 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
You're taking my hand, leading the way, staying the night. Looking at you, making your moves, there is no silence. I wish you'd never let go. All this moving in the zone, I'ma lose it out of control. Yeah. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the JBL TUNE 220 TWS microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone worked well during calls and it came in loud and clear. Other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant and I had no issues. If you want to use the earbuds independently, it will have to be the right side only. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the JBL TUNE 220 TWS, and sound could be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. The comfort is in line with the Apple AirPods. It sits outside your ear canals and there's no pressure at all, and you can definitely wear these for extended periods of time. It does feel a bit loose and you don't get that tight seal, just like the Apple AirPods. Build-in quality is decent. The case is your typical plastic shell, and it does feel durable along with the earbuds. They both provide a nice grip with a matte finish. Button controls are responsive and I had no issues with them. The battery life does come in on the low end of 3 hours and 19 total with the case. It would have been nice to have wireless charging along with some type of app integration for EQ presets. Also, there was no mention of an IPX rating, so I would not get these wet or exposed to extreme conditions. When it comes to sound, the bass is present. It's punchy but not overwhelming bass, and that definitely has to do with the design. Mids and highs come in very loud and clear, and it's a bit forward. Vocals and instruments definitely stand out. There's good separation and it doesn't get distorted. The sounds are definitely better than the Apple AirPods if I were to compare the two. So overall, the price point that this is in is very competitive, and it has its pluses and minuses that I've mentioned. I do feel that these do produce pretty good sounds if you're looking for an Apple AirPod style design or alternative. So that is my review of the JBL TUNE 220 TWS earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.